So if you're running the same digital cluster as I am, I'm sure you're having the same problems I'm having. I'm in a 2009 e9x, and this is definitely not an e9x, and we're pretty much going to solve that problem right now. Let's get right into it.
2 hours later.
Not really.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so before we get started, let's go to the computer, copy some files, load it on a flash drive, and come back to the car. All right, I got the first flash drive loaded in. So what we're gonna do is copy the files. I'm gonna definitely put a link below with all the files so you guys are able to do this and get it running for yourselves. So first, let me format this flash drive. The FAT32, normally it's already preset. All right, format complete, okay. Close that out. Now we need to go to my downloads, unzip, copy the file, the zip file itself. They're password locked. They're both password locked. They're protected. So just copy the zip file and copy it straight to your flash drive. Wait till it loads. Try to remember which flash drive you copy the first file to. So let me eject this flash drive. All right, now we got the second flash drive in. Format the second flash drive. It's finished. Close out. Go back to downloads. Go back to the file itself. Copy the second one, which would be the one that is 01 at the end. Copy that one to the flash drive now. Paste, and then you're going to rename the file. Now, while we're going to rename, we're only going to delete the 1 at the end. So we're just going to backspace on 1, backspace on the 0. Done. Save. That's it. So now that we're back in the car, we're going to go into settings, and then we're going to go all the way down to factory right here. First code is 0, 1, 6, 8. And then we go over and OK. Select. And then we come all the way down here. The vehicle that is currently set on is F10. Then they have X5, X6, X1, Z4, and Bioactive. So now we're going to solve that problem and put e9x in that list. So we're going to do the software update. I do have on the side right here access to the USB cable. When I install the cluster, I drop the cable right here on the side. So we're going to pop out the side right here. Get that USB cable and load up the software. So let me pop this side out real quick and then we'll move forward. We got out the USB, so let's get the first flash drive and load it up. Okay, we insert the flash drive. It's auto doing the installation, and then after it boots up back, go back to menu. Then now we're gonna load the second file. Insert the flash drive to install the last file. Sorry for that annoying noise. All right, we are finished. Now let's run into settings and let's see what we have. So we still have X5, X6, X2, that's new. X3, that's new. X4 is new also. I don't know what car that is. I'm gonna figure out what that is. I'm gonna figure that out. All the way up to 7. E60, oh, that's there now. E66, E70. E71, we never had that. Yes, E84, that was woo, E87, E90. I know E91 is there also, and E93 is also there. He just messaged me and let me know those are there. But hey, we're here. We're not about to go through the full listing and stuff. Let's go down here. It's already on e-chassis. Hit return. Return again. Woohoo! E90. Well, it is the M3. They give us the M3, but still, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We can always change the color of this too. If you want to change the car color from black to red and whatever, we could put any color there we want. But that is still pretty cool. So now we have the E90 chassis there, which is pretty good. That's what we want. We don't care about anything else. So let's say you don't have a black car and you have a red car or a blue car or silver or white. We go back into settings. We go all the way down to general. We come down where we have the color right here, and then we switch it. Then you have blue, red, silver, white, you know. All right, let's leave it on white for now. Return. All the way back down. Select. Then we have it white. It's pretty awesome. Well, there you have it. Hope this video was very helpful. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, just drop it below. I'll definitely be able to answer them once I have the answers. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch y'all in the next one.